What's up, dudes? Welcome back to Chris and King's channel. And today we are going to be playing some more. Actually, first time playing Kuboom. I'm a noob at it, so don't judge me. And as I said in the last video, I'm going to be playing it. So if you want me to play it one more time, I don't know why I stopped right there. When one more time, leave a like on this video. Let's join a team battle right now. Okay. I actually got two more new guns. So you guys want to check that out, you can join red team. Okay. So this is my new gun and this one. Wait, what? It ended? Hey, I did not even get a chance to play.
Hey,
what the heck? And there's my cousin brother here.
yeah, if you heard my voice, that was me. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you like this video, saying it again, check the other video out. Previous video.
Okay, join red. Please don't end like this. I have this shotgun.
It is a time limit. Oh, it's gonna end in a few seconds.
Oh damn, what did I do?
It's gonna end in a few seconds.
Okay.
Say it.
Let me grab my shotgun. Oh, I can't pick that up. Oh, there's a guy here. Oh, that's my guy.
It's gonna end.
Damn, who killed me? So guys, sorry for the short intermission, but I was gone for a second, so don't judge me, okay? And my little brother's here, my cousin brother's out. He's coming in a second. And the game ended. Just what I needed. I'm playing another team.
I still haven't seen hiding.
Yeah, because you're rude.
No, because
You just want to make up rhymes. Okay, I'm in blue team.
I never had a chance to say bye, and I never died in this game. With my
Yeah,
eyes.
guys, he's a complete noob at it.
I'm not a noob at it. I'm
Yes,
a complete
you are.
pro.
I have a doubt. Did
What?
you start a new game again?
Yes, it ended.
Because if the game hates you, so it fast forward the time.
Now it's 9 minutes.
Oh yeah, that's
I got you now, buddy. Let's pick up. Oh, what the heck? Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? A sniper. Got a sniper.
That's a shotgun.
That's a sniper. Can't you see?
Why just clicked it? Hey,
Dang it!
shot by a
Don't
guy
take
that
my
is a
Guys,
Just shut up.
Why?
Everybody shut up. Let me concentrate.
Okay, fine.
Concentration over 9,000.
one. I ate a piece of bun. Two.
I hate
you
you.
No.
2, I hate you.
Two. The cow did a lot of poo.
You're so disgusting.
That's
Three.
I
I am free.
I'm not free because you're disturbing me so much. You die, bro, die.
But
Guys,
I'm free.
Don't turn around, don't
likes.
turn around. Okay.
up to 100 likes and 5
So
comments.
should we go? Okay.
Four.
No,
I want
no.
I want more.
Just shut up and go away from here. I'm playing a match. Oh, you almost killed me.
Okay, seriously, if you say an other word, I'm gonna get you so bad.
Okay. Oh, damn. So guys, sorry for the short intermission. Okay, just sorry. No reason. Let's kill those. Okay. Damn, they have a sniper rifle. I have a shotgun. What should I do?
He has a sniper rifle. He saw you first.
Sorry guys for the short intermission, but I'm starting right now. And I died. I didn't know why all the people keep calling me.
Sorry.
He just coughed.
Yeah, I have bad cough right now.
Oh no, oh no, no. How come my shotgun doesn't work?
Because you didn't aim
I
properly.
hate it.
Because you don't have ammo.
Guys, I need to cough again.
Oh no, I almost blew myself up.
By the time you concentrate, I'm gonna tell your face
Concentrate on
some
9,000.
jokes.
God, don't you do it.
When did the man go to the dentist?
Tooth hurty.
Yeah, you're right. Get it? Tooth hurty? Tooth hurty?
I killed you! No! Yes, I did. No, actually, I did not do that.
Okay, why can't dinosaurs clap?
Because they're dead.
Yeah, correct. Because they're dead, so they can't clap.
Are there any hero things here?
Now you
No.
guys will hear a knock-knock joke.
No.
Knock-knock.
Wait, I did a suicide? I hate this game so much. I have
Knock,
a
knock.
sniper. I hate you.
Knock-knock.
Who's there? Garbage boy? I don't want you.
No. Jokes of the dentist. When did the man go to the dentist?
Tooth hurty.
Now can you please let me in?
Yes, 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 I killed you. No. I have my shotgun. Yes, I killed him. Oh, damn.
But
You
that
sniper guy. I'm getting bored. Guys, don't trash me in the comments. I'm a complete noob. Die! Why did you die? Die! Yes, I killed him. Let
Why
me
don't
switch.
people comment you to play
Touch.
Roblox? Roblox is such a fun game.
Nope. Roblox is the world's funniest game.
You say that, but it's not real.
It's only best in PCs. Okay, I killed him.
A
Nice
sniper.
shooting.
And one shots people. That's good.
Oh, I almost did a turn around shot. No, don't pick up my sniper. He did. Okay. I'm back with my boring old shotgun again. Got you now. Oh no, oh no, no.
Hey,
Got you.
every time we die, we get 2 grenades.
Touch the pick up.
Because you threw one, right?
No, no, this one.
So how did you get one more?
No, I always have to.
I told you those are the same pistols.
Wait, oh no. Where should I go?
Focus.
Concentration over 9,000.
I didn't mean to do that.
Okay, so
It's like a weird
nobody
map.
here. Okay, there was somebody there. Just let
Hey,
me kill
look
a
at the
buddy.
king there. What's the king?
Yeah, that's my name.
You don't look crystal at all in this game.
I'm blue. I'm
Throw
blue.
grenades. That's what this game is all about. Kaboom, boom. Right?
I hate kabooming. Should I kill my friend?
You can't.
Should I try to kill my friend
You
at the
can't.
kaboom?
You can't.
I think there's friendly fire in this. Here, have it. No, go towards that. Go there. Oh, damn.
Hey. If
No,
you
no,
find a
don't
group
zoom in.
of- Hey, do you know how to prank someone in this game? Get a grenade in a pie and feed them a splody pie.
You know, the guys, that's not a thing. He's just making that up. Everybody knows that, right?
Yeah.
I guess. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay, this is the red spawn base. You spawn here. I'll just keep my aim like this. Guys, kill somebody. Okay, somebody killed her. Guy, no, no, die. A headshot her with a shotgun.
That was
I
for
hate
your
this game
headshot.
so much. I'm taking my pistol and going home. Oh yeah.
But you don't have
Oh yeah,
no-
oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, this is good. Deadpool has left the game. Wait, I did not even know Deadpool joined the game.
Can
Dead-
Spider-Man join the game?
I don't think so. Oh yeah, I can hide here.
Can
Wait,
Godzilla join the game?
I can hide here.
The game lags so bad here.
Okay.
No, the game would end. Godzilla, one shot.
No. Somebody's there.
What?
Yeah.
You were taking a cover. How did it kill you?
He's a hacker.
Now the match.
Oh, the
ended.
match ended. Blue team won.
Actually, blue team lost.
I don't want to talk about it. Okay, I got
Now
$500.
Now play deathmatch.
Nope. Yeah, that's.
Let's buy something. Weapons. Let's see.
Sorry once again, guys.
$2,000 customization. Fine. Open case. Okay, I don't have that much. Wait, back.
Maybe sight.
Sight. Like, I don't know if up. I might think I have to put a light here. Like laser.
You're still on the same gun.
Close. Laser. Crest.
Go to heavy. You're on assault right now.
It's assault. Not assault.
Tackle shotgun.
It sounds
Bison. I want a scar. Oh my
It's my
god.
It's my favorite gun, a scar. Oh yeah,
Wow.
minigun and rocket launcher.
I got this gun. It's nice. Yeah.
One of my three of my favorite guns are scar, minigun,
Snipers.
and wait, four of my favorite guns are
Wait, I got a sniper.
scar, rocket launcher, minigun, and carbon.
And
That
retreat.
was so easy.
And we grab a sniper.
Become a
And
VIP.
Nope.
cold.
That's for level 6.
No, USB. I only have a shovel. Dang it.
What shovel?
Deathmatch.
Can you
One more
mine?
match of
Can
deathmatch.
you mine dirt?
Are you crazy? You're not talking about Minecraft here.
Okay.
Oh. Come at me, bro.
The match is already gonna end.
Yep.
There's one. There goes nothing. Yeah.
Okay. That's it for today's video. If you
Bye,
want
guys.
to see more of a Crystal King on this channel, then you can hit the like button.
The Crystal King owns the channel.
And you can, if you want to see more Kaboom, hit the like button.
Up to 100 likes.
Bye guys.